Yeah? Is that you?
Yes, yes.
Oh, I'm Scatman John. Would you like to sing a song, man?
Well, sure could. Look out. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Follow me, everybody, let's head down south to the land of the man with the message. His name was Satch, and he played on the match every time he played the horn and the blues was born. Everybody saying that the way he was playing had the whole world praying that he never gonna stop. He taught the scat man all about scat. He's the father of it all, as a matter of fact. Louis was a legend in New Orleans in the Louisiana Dixieland scene. He made a legend that the old time religion could be played out the horn and the blues was born. Satch knows breathing deep in my soul. Let me sing it to you, hallelujah. Love is the answer, scat's where it's at. Louis said that you can even teach a cat scat. Hear me talking, I've been talking to you. Louis was one swinging happy guru. You wanna hear the greatest trumpet in the world? Well, sing along with me, sing along now. Join me in the opening and join me in the bow. Singing at the sunset, singing at the dawn. You got to get it up if you wanna get it on. Satch knows breathing deep in my soul. Let me sing it to you, hallelujah. Get out the way, let Louis play.
Let's say it gets me, man.
How about a little solo, Louis? Yeah! Now blow your horn, Louis. Everybody party down in Louisiana. Everybody jam. What do you say? Everybody come and take a ride with me.
Who's to know if your soul will fade at all? The one you sold to fool the world. You lost your self-esteem along the way. Good God, you're coming up with reasons. Good God, you're dragging it out. Good God, it's the changing of the seasons. It feels so right. So follow me down and just fake it. If you're out of direction, fake it. If you don't belong here, fake it. If you feel like a fraction, oh. They're gonna clean up your looks with all the lies in the books to make a citizen out of you. Because they sleep with a gun and keep an eye on you, son, so they can watch all the things you do. Because the drugs never work, they gonna give you a smirk, cause they got methods of keeping you clean. They gonna rip up your heads, your aspirations to shreds, another cog in the murder machine. They said I'll take that to scare the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So darken your clothes, I'll strike a violent pose. Maybe it'll lead you alone, but not me. The boys and girls in the clique, the awful names at the stick. You're never gonna fit in much, kid. But if you're troubled and hurt, what you got under your shirt will make them